What's the meaning of atrocious? Atrocious. Atrocious.
Atrocious. Atrocious. Atrocious means shockingly bad or horrifically cruel. When we use this word to describe something, it suggests that it is extremely unpleasant or unacceptable. It can be used to refer to things like behavior, actions, or events. For example, an atrocious crime might involve extreme violence, while atrocious weather might be characterized by heavy rain and strong winds. The term also suggests a sense of moral outrage, indicating that the behavior or action in question is not only bad, but also goes against commonly accepted standards of decency.